Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed from Erin Reedmakes, and today with me I have
Brandon.
my son. So we have our brand new orange art box, and we're going to open it up. This is the one for September, and we're going to see what's inside. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, go for it, dude. Oh, I wonder what the theme for this month is.
Emojis.
Emojis. This feels weird. Feel it.
I know it does.
So what,
Soft.
but it's not like a squishy ball. What is it?
It's like a bouncy ball.
You think it's a bouncy ball? Let's see. Try and bounce it. Good catch. Good job. It's a bouncy ball. Woohoo. All right. Okay, so let's put that off to the side. We have our instruction booklet. This is the booklet that has examples. Doesn't mean you got to follow it in any way, shape, or form. And it just gives you ideas for why all the items in their box and how to use them. So it's just a guide, right?
Yeah.
You can use
manual.
it or a manual if you wish to use it. The kids might totally go their own direction. My kids do. Okay, what else is next, Brandon?
Stars and googly eyes.
Oh, we got little stars and googly eyes. How fun. I wonder if you could, well, since we know it's emojis, are there emojis that have eyes?
Yes.
Maybe that's what that's for. Okay, keep going.
Got circles.
Ooh, like wooden circles. What do you think you could do with these?
Making them into emojis.
So you could make these into emojis. It's a circle. Aren't emojis circular?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Well, they're a ball. They're a sphere.
They're a sphere, but we could do them on a circle, right? And you got
Sure.
5 of them. All right, what else we got?
Clips.
Clips. Okay, what do we think we can do with the clips?
Clip the emojis.
You think we can do this? So you can make yourself an emoji clip?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I love that.
Got
Awesome.
paintbrushes.
Paintbrushes. Okay.
Can't get the last one.
Oh, okay. Here we go. We got 3 amazing paintbrushes. Look at those. Those are pretty.
I like
Ooh,
the colors.
I like the blue. Shiny.
I like the gold.
That's
Got
awesome.
eyes, hearts.
What do we have? Well, let's open this up.
Emojis.
Those look like those would fit on there.
Yeah.
Don't they?
Yeah.
And then we also have the
Some
hearts.
Like
Are there
the heart
emojis that have hearts?
Like the heart emoji, and we got some glue dots.
And then we got the glue dots. Awesome. So obviously, like if I guess if we want to stick this to this is what we're going to use to help hold it, right? Perfect. Oh my gosh, what is that? It even says lights up. Look at that. And does it stand? Does it stand?
Yes.
Cool. It's like a night light.
Yeah, it's a little night light. You can't really see it. They can't really see it.
They can. They can see it just. Well, I know they can't see the light on because we have our lights helping film. But yeah, you can see the light right there.
There it is.
Ta-da! Okay, let's turn that off so we don't waste the battery on that one.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so we got that. What else we got?
Paint.
We got all pretty. You got full bottles of paint?
Yes.
Full tubes of paint.
Yes.
That is awesome. And the yellow is a must. You got to have the right yellow to make your emoji. But then you got to have all the other fun colors to do the other little elements, the mouth, and then you got blue like for the tears, right? That's laughing. That's red.
Heart.
Yeah, to do hearts and stuff. So, and then obviously black to help do all the other accent pieces.
You can literally paint this.
You could totally paint this. So you can paint this. You could paint this. Could you paint these?
Yes.
Yes, you could totally do that.
You can actually make this into like a hanging nightlight.
Potentially, yeah. Okay, there's one other thing in there.
Magnets, I think, and then.
Well, open it up. Right there. Okay, so we got these
totally magnets.
Okay, magnets and bottle caps. Yellow bottle caps. What does that mean? What do you think you can do with those? Could you make little baby emojis?
Yes.
And then put magnets on the back?
Yes.
And then put them on your fridge?
Yes.
We are going to have emoji magnets on my fridge. So what's your favorite emoji? What one would you make? You don't know?
No.
I like the one that's got stars in their eyes.
The surprise.
Or the winky one. Yeah, or the winking one. That's a good one. What's another good one? Or the big hearts.
Happy.
The happy one, just the smiling one like this.
Smiley.
Right? Just the smiley. There is so many. And there's one final thing that's in every orange art box, which is your craft mat, which allows you to do your art and not get everything messy. So you get a night light thing that you can paint.
Yes.
But you could also put some other like stars and stuff on it. Yeah. You can kind of decorate it where you want to. You got all the paints and 3 paintbrushes. You got 5 discs, and then you got a whole bunch of cool eyes and hearts, right? And obviously you can paint those. And then you got the clips to put them on there.
Mm-hmm.
So you can kind of have fun with that. I wonder if could you do 2? That'd be kind of funny. It'd be like a double-sided emoji.
like right now you're happy, then you're sad.
Oh, like you can flip it back and forth. That'd be really fun. Okay. And then we also have these 5 little bottle caps. I think those are so fun that have magnets, but we got 10 magnets. Maybe you think 2 can fit in here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And I bet, you know what? You probably need 2 of them because you
It will stick better.
right. You need a higher power magnet to make
Yeah.
it stick. That totally makes sense. Okay. Very cool. So which one do you want to do first? You're going to play with the ball. So you like the ball? All right, but which craft do you want to do first? You want to paint that? That's awesome. All right. So thanks so much. At the end of this video, as always, will be all the projects and some pictures of my kids making and creating and doing these projects. Links down below for where you can get your Orange Art Box. The kids, my neighborhood kids, next door kids, they all come over, they all play, and they have a blast with it. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, and we will see you guys again later. Bye.
Bye.